Engineer Luis J. Kimberly Palmes, or Engineer Kim. She'll be talking about the new regulation concerning mandatory product certification of child restraint systems. So after DTI's presentation, we'll call Sir Bob again. So go ahead, engineer. I'll stop sharing. You can share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, Ma'am Daphne. And then also good morning to the participants and those who are watching our FB Live right now. So I'll start the sharing my screen now for a while. Okay. Can you see my presentation, Miss Daphne?
Yes, yes, I can. Go ahead. You're good, Engineer Kim.
Okay. So first off, I will be discussing about, so basically I will be discussing just an overview of this Department Administrative Order or DAO 2003 series of 2020. So this is the new technical regulation concerning the mandatory product certification of child restraint system. So I will be discussing about its references, the scope, the BPS certification scheme, and then how the consumer know that the CRS was certified by the BPS. Um, Next slide. So what is a child restraint system? So for a while. Mhm. So when we mean child restraint system, it is a device capable of accommodating a child occupant in a sitting or supine position. When we mean by supine means lying position. So it is designed to as to diminish the risk of injury to the wearer in the event of a collision or of abrupt deceleration of the vehicle by limiting the mobility of the child's body. So by using child restraint system, it will reduce the likelihood of fatal crash among children. So just a brief background of this DAO 2003. So first off, we have the Republic Act number 11229, the Child Safety in Motor Vehicle or the Child Safety in Motor Vehicles Act, as discussed by Ms. Daphne, and then the mandates by the DTI to use standards set forth UNR 44 and 129, and the adoption of the UNRS as PNS by PNS for CRS, and then we have the DAO 2003. So yung DAO 2003 has been effective since August 8, 2020. So it means that all importers shall seek certification from the BPS to sell their products. The next one is we have the references, the PNS UNR 44 2018 and then the PNS UNR 129 2018. So the PNS UNR 44 2018 are categorized. The child restraint systems approved under the PNSUNR 44 2018 are categorized into weight groups. However, since experience showed that this resulted in CRS being changed to the next group too early and the children being put in the wrong seat, this group categorization was partially overlapped by PNS UNR 129 2018. So this PNS requires that the child restraint system can be used universally on seats marked with I-seat symbol. So this one is the markings in the PNS UNR 44 2018. So we only have the weight indicated in this approval, and then this one is the sample of PNS UNR 129 2018. So you can see that you have the height of the child and then the weight of the child specified on this product or in this marking. So next one is the scope and the coverage. So the first of is we have the lateral facing carry cut. So The lateral facing or caricot means a restraint system intended to accommodate and restrain the child in a supine or prone position, with child spine perpendicular to the median or longitudinal plane of the vehicle. So it is usually used by infants. And then the next one is the reward facing for is the reward facing. So this means that facing in the that the CRS is facing in the direction opposite to the normal direction of the travel vehicle. The next one is the forward facing. So the CRS is facing in the normal direction of the travel vehicle. Then aside from that, we also have combination or rearward forward facing. The next one is the booster caution seat, and the last is the other types for similar purposes or other types of CRS. So booster seats just this is a seat with a firm caution which can be used with an adult seat belt. So next, I will be talking about the Philippine Standard or PS Safety Mark Licensing Scheme. So in BPS, or in the Bureau of Philippine Standards covers two certification schemes. So namely the PS Quality or Safety Certification, and then the other one is the Import Commodity Clearance. In the CRS, we have the Philippine Standard Safety Mark. So this is the Philippine Standard or PS Safety Licensing Scheme is used to a manufacturer um, whose factory quality management system and the product have successfully combined with the requirements of the PNS ISO 9001 and the relevant product standards. So the product standards in this one is the PNS UNR 44 2018 and then the PNS UNR 129 2018. So before we issue the PS license to the manufacturer, we conduct the factory audit that is based or aligned to the ISO quality management system or ISO 9001 2015, and we have to conduct a product audit based on the two PNS. So the PNS UN 44 and then the PNS UNR 129. So this logo together with the PS license number of the manufacturer shall be seen on the CRS itself. Okay, the next one is the Statement of Confirmation, SOC, or Import Commodity Clearance, ICC, or for imported child restraint systems. So if you have a PS, if the manufacturer bought CRS from a PS licensee manufacturer or company, so the importer shall go to the SOC application. If they don't have any PS license certification, so they have to undergo the ICC application. So for the processing, we have the registration, the application, evaluation, and the approval. So for the registration, they can visit our site bps.dti.gov.ph to get the PCIMS application form for the registration of their accounts. And once they are already registered in the PCIMS, then they can apply for the ICC or the PS, ICC, SOC, or PS, and then the product certification officer shall evaluate the documents, and once the documents have been evaluated and passed, approve, and then it will go into the approval and then the issuance of certificate. Next one is the ICC or the new stickers. So this is the new ICC stickers since December 28, 2020. So this one is also seen in the CRS certified products, CRS certified by the BPS. So we also do have a ICC sticker verification scheme or system. So this is a system proposed and designed by the BPS to protect the integrity of BPS ICC certification marks. So ICC stickers have QR codes that contain information of the certified products. So you just have to download the ICC verification system in the Google Play and App Store. And then once you have downloaded the mobile app, then you can scan the ICC stickers affixed on the product, and the information of the certified product will appear on the mobile app or on your screen. So that's it for DAO 2020, and then for the